In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a file in Google Drive. Whether you're transitioning roles at work, collaborating on a project, or simply reorganizing your digital life, changing ownership of a file can be tremendously helpful. Let's dive right in and talk through this process step by step. First, you need to head over to Google Drive, open your preferred web browser, and navigate to drive.google.com. Once there, log in using your Google account. If you're already logged in, you should be directed straight to your Drive interface. It's always a good idea to ensure you're in the correct account by checking your profile picture in the top right corner. Now, locate the file you'd like to transfer ownership of. Once you find it, right-click on the file. This action will open a context menu offering various options you can choose from. One of these options will be Share. Go ahead and click on Share. This will bring up a dialog box where you can manage the sharing settings of your file. In the Share Settings dialog, you'll see a list of people who currently have access to this file. If you're transferring ownership to someone who isn't already on this list, simply enter their Google account email at the top, where it says Add People and Groups. You need to make sure the email is correct to avoid any access issues later on. Once the new owner's email is added, you should see their name appear in the list of collaborators. Next to their name, you'll see a drop-down menu that currently shows their level of access, likely saying Editor. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal more options. In these options, you'll find Transfer Ownership. Be aware that transferring ownership is a significant step because you'll no longer be the primary controller of this file. When you transfer ownership, the new owner will have full control over settings and permissions, so choose wisely. Click on Transfer Ownership. After selecting this option, you'll see a button that says Send Invitation. By clicking this, an invitation will be sent to the new owner, informing them of the change. It's crucial to communicate with them about the pending transfer, so they can accept the invitation promptly. Once you've sent the invitation, simply click on Done, and there you have it. You've now initiated the transfer of ownership for that file in Google Drive. Remember, the new owner will need to accept the invitation for the transfer to be completed, so give them a heads up or a quick reminder. By following these steps, you're ensuring a smooth and efficient transition, handing over the reins to the new owner. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any steps, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy organizing!